Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial kind of run through on how I prep my bundles. Now these bundles are from AliGrace. I will leave the link in the description if you want these specific ones. They are 20-inch Peruvian bundles with a 18-inch frontal. And if you aren't here to see the tutorial, that's totally fine. It's super satisfying to just see hair be done. So if you just want to sit back, listen to the music and watch the little video, you could do that too. Now this frontal is an HD lace frontal, and basically what that means is it's super transparent, almost impossible to see the lace. And I didn't bleach this just because I wanted to see it first. Next time I feel like I want to bleach it, but without it, it's also perfectly fine. Now these bundles, they came in the color maybe like 2, maybe like 1B, and I wanted the hair to be really dark. I wanted to just be black, so I decided to dye them myself. Now when it came to the frontal itself, it was super hard for me to not get any of the dye on the lace, so it didn't really get that dark because I was avoiding the roots so much, but it was much darker than when I initially got it. And there's also a method I've seen a couple times on YouTube and just online that you can use Vaseline. I didn't want to use it just for my first time, but you could definitely check those videos out. I just didn't use any method except trying to avoid touching the lace. Now here I just inserted a really quick clip of me plucking the lace just to show you how the plucked side versus the non-plucked side looked. And this was pre-plucked, but you've always got to pluck a little bit more. Now here I'm just straightening it, just going through it really quick because I had the bundles just kind of blow dried before. So I wanted to get it as flat as I could, kind of roughly, just so I could see where I want to cut the lace and where everything's laying. Just make sure everything's right and how I would wear it. Now when it came to the lace, I decided to cut that off camera because I really just needed to focus. I had never cut a lace frontal before, and I definitely didn't think I should be the one to tell you guys, how to cut it. It's really just practice, but it was my first time and I just thought I shouldn't include that clip in the video. But, you know, I think I did okay. I think I did pretty well for my first, you know, time doing a frontal. And these are just some quick clips that I took from the next day after, you know, I laid it a little bit more. I used some mousse on the front of the frontal, and that was it. Now, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!